A clean-looking gallon of cheap gasoline can leave far more deposits inside your engine than a better detergent fuel. According to AAA's published findings, non-top-tier fuels produced up to 19 times more intake valve deposits after 4,000 simulated miles. The scary part is not that cheap fuel destroys an engine instantly. The real problem is what it quietly leaves behind, tank after tank. Most drivers think the choice is simple: cheap regular fuel or expensive premium fuel. But that is not the real fight. Premium means higher knock resistance. Top tier means stronger detergent performance. An 87 octane regular fuel can be top tier, while a premium fuel is not automatically cleaner. Your engine cares about both octane and cleanliness, but they are not the same thing. Top-tier detergent gasoline is a voluntary fuel standard created by automakers. It began in 2004 with companies including General Motors, BMW, Honda, and Toyota. The goal was simple. Modern engines needed fuel with stronger deposit control than the legal minimum. Top tier does not mean luxury fuel. It means the fuel has passed a higher cleanliness standard. The Environmental Protection Agency requires gasoline to contain detergent additives. That is the minimum standard. Think of it like a building code. It says the building must be safe enough to stand. Top tier is more like a higher construction specification. It asks the fuel to do more than simply burn. It asks the fuel to help keep the engine cleaner over time. Gasoline can come from shared pipelines, shared terminals, and even similar base fuel supplies. But the additive package is where the final fuel changes. The additive package is a concentrated chemical blend mixed into gasoline before it reaches the station. Think of base gasoline as water in a washing machine. The additive package is the detergent that decides how clean things stay. One major problem is intake valve deposits. The intake valve is the air door into your engine. When carbon builds up on that valve, airflow becomes restricted and turbulent. Your engine computer then has to work harder to keep the air and fuel mixture correct. The engine may still run, but the clean breathing it was designed for slowly gets worse. Fuel injectors are tiny precision nozzles. Their job is to spray fuel as a fine mist so it mixes evenly with air. When deposits form on the injector tip, that spray can become uneven. Instead of a clean cone, you can get streaks, droplets, and pore atomization. That means the fuel does not burn as smoothly as the engine expects. Deposits inside the combustion chamber can also affect knock resistance. Knock is uncontrolled combustion. It happens when part of the air and fuel mixture ignites at the wrong moment. Modern engines can protect themselves by delaying spark timing, but that protection can reduce power and efficiency. The engine may survive while still performing worse than it should. Gasoline direct injection engines are especially sensitive to fuel quality. In this design, the injector sprays fuel directly into the combustion chamber. That means the fuel does not wash over the back of the intake valve. Older port fuel injection systems gave the valve a cleaning rinse. Direct injection skips that rinse, so deposit control becomes much more important. This is where the truth needs nuance. Top-tier fuel is not magic. In a pure gasoline direct injection engine, it cannot scrub the back of an intake valve that the fuel never touches. But research suggests, though studies vary, that better detergent fuel can still help control deposits on injectors, piston surfaces, combustion chambers, and other fuel contact areas. The fair question is cost. If top-tier fuel costs more near you, do not answer emotionally. Calculate it. Take the price difference per gallon, multiply it by your tank size, then divide by the miles you drive on that tank. That gives you the extra cost per mile. Now compare that small repeated cost with possible future cleaning services. Injector cleaning, injector replacement, and intake valve walnut blasting can become expensive, depending on your vehicle and region. Walnut blasting means crushed walnut shells are used to remove hard carbon from intake valves. It is a real mechanical cleaning method, not a fuel trick. Top-tier fuel may not prevent every cleaning, but it can be part of reducing deposit risk over time. The vehicles that benefit most are modern gasoline direct injection engines, especially turbocharged ones. Port fuel injection engines still benefit, but they are usually more forgiving because fuel washes the intake valve. Older carbureted engines or simple older port-injected engines are often less sensitive. Hybrid vehicles with direct injection should not be ignored because frequent start-stop operation can add its own deposit challenges. Myth 1. All gasoline is the same because it comes from the same refinery. Fact. The final additive package can differ. Myth 2. Premium fuel protects your engine the same way top tier does. Fact. Octane and detergent quality are different. Myth 3. A bottle additive replaces good fuel. Fact. Some additives can help, but quality and dosing vary widely. Here is the practical answer. If your car has a modern gasoline direct injection engine, use top-tier fuel consistently when it is reasonably available. If your car has port fuel injection, top tier is still smart, but less urgent. Occasional non-certified fuel is unlikely to cause dramatic harm in a healthy engine. The risk grows with repetition, mileage, heat, short trips, and how long you keep the car.